Starting your investing journey can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, it becomes an exciting step toward building lasting wealth. Begin by setting clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or simply growing your money over time? Understanding your objectives will guide your decisions. Next, educate yourself on the basics. Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each has its own risk and potential reward. Diversifying, spreading your investments across different assets, helps manage risk and smooth out returns over time. Open an investment account, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources. Start small. Even modest contributions grow with consistency and time thanks to compound interest. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Avoid chasing quick profits or reacting emotionally to market swings. Instead, focus on regular contributions and review your progress periodically. As you gain confidence, continue learning and refining your strategy. With patience, discipline, and ongoing education, you'll be well on your way to building wealth and securing your financial future.